Hey guys, welcome back to your show Tiro Crypto. Tonight we have a show, guys, and what a show. If you follow crypto for the past 2 days, or if you've been following crypto for as long as you've been following crypto, for the past 2 days, guys, we have a total disaster, right? As you can see in my chart here, we went down. Guys, I spoke about this on my videos plenty of times. I said there was a possibility that we would revisit something similar to this, right? Straight, then the floor will completely caved in. And this is exactly what happened yesterday, more or less. This whole thing was brewing for a few weeks. I don't know if you guys remember, if you know about Celsius, was also connected to FTX. And since then, things were not working well. There was a lot of rumors of shady situations going on. But finally, people came to find out that FTX has an insolvency problem. They didn't have the money they say they had, the millions of dollars they say they had, and people started withdrawing the money from the platform. It created a completely bank run. People took their money, and this creates such a chaotic situation that at this point, FTX is out of the game. The only game in town is Binance, guys, and Binance was thinking, or there were talks about Binance buying off FTX, but I guess they went through the books and find out that it's not even a good business deal to try to acquire FTX. But anywho, the thing is now that Bitcoin finally start its journey down to these levels. So, guys, I draw you here something very interesting. Basically, every time Bitcoin comes down, and this is something that I want you to be clear about. And before I show you this, I'm gonna come back to this news, right? 7 of the biggest Bitcoin crashes in history. So that if you guys new in the game, if you're new to crypto, just so you know, this has happened plenty of times since Bitcoin was born. From that point on, they've been killing Bitcoin multiple times, and this always happen. We have it upside, we have it downside, or is the best time for people to accumulate. Before I go any further, guys, like I usually say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to give you advice on how to invest your money if you're planning on investing in crypto. This is just for educational purposes. This is just me trying to spread the crypto religion, if you will. I believe in this business. I believe in the model, and I seen people making it pretty good. So this is for me to you, to teach you about, to make this business known to you, this new digital asset. So you get to know it, you do your homework, you do your due diligence, and see if it's for you. At least to educate yourself in the business. It's always good to know about those things, okay? So like I said, it's not the first time that this happened to Bitcoin. It has happened multiple times. Real quick, June 2011, Mt. Gox, that was like the Binance exchange platform of that time. It was hacked, millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin stolen, right? August 12th, another Ponzi scheme, money lost, 700,000 Bitcoins lost. April 2013, 83%. Another issue with, again, Mt. Gox was hacked again, I guess. December 2013, December 17. So we're here March 2020. This is when the situation happened that we'll have to stay indoors, right? Remember? market crash. Again, May 2021, another situation. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that this has happened multiple times and it will happen again and again, right? But you just have to be mindful. Main thing, if you decide to go this route, always take your money off exchange. Make sure you have, I don't have it here with me, but it's Nano Ledger. Get a Trezor, a Nano Ledger. It's they call it cold wallet, right? You have your crypto. You don't have it in the exchange because if exchange goes down like it happened to FTX, there's a good chance you're gonna lose all your crypto, all your money. So like they say, know your keys, know your crypto, okay? If it's not your key, it's not your crypto. It's like money in the bank. The money in the bank is not your money. Bank closes down for whatever reason, there's a good chance you're gonna lose your money. Well, it's definitely unsure, but up to a point. Anyways, so now that you realize that this could happen, it happened in the past, it's happening now, and more likely it's going to happen in the future. All this crash and burn, and then it goes up again and crashes. So let me take you back to what I was showing you before. All right? Bitcoin, and this is 2015 to 2016, more or less, right? One of the first, I think it was the first bear market. This is the first bull market here. Bear market, boom. Bitcoin went down, guys. Let's see how many percentage here. 39. But before I told you that, let me show you. This is basically a Fibonacci retracement. So if you go from the lowest to the highest, which is here, right? The top. This is the top here. You're gonna see that Bitcoin always go below this line, the 786. This called this a golden pocket, right? Always go below this 786. The last few times it has, gone in a bear market. All right. Same thing it did here. So from the lowest to the highest, which is here, lowest here, highest here. Again, 786, and the floor came off. So before this whole thing happened, right? I had this already marked. And my thanks to Dan Garambello. I follow, he's a YouTuber that I follow, and he was the one that sort of came out with this. And he's an excellent YouTuber. I'll put the link down on my video so you can follow him as well. He's an excellent, awesome YouTuber. So as you can see, on this one also, this is 786, right? And it was right in this 786, it wasn't coming down. But some people knew, expecting this come down, and boom, the floor gave in and it's coming down now. So how low is gonna come down? Here was 40% down. This was like 32. So the average between the two comes out to almost like 35 and change, give or take. These are like give or take, okay? So we see that the bottom here is gonna be probably 11,000 to 16 and change. So this is all fair game for BTC. This could be the floor, right? It could go even lower. We do not know. Why? Because this is really Bitcoin has never gone or has never experienced the macro situation that is happening in the world right now. Okay, Bitcoin was born in sort of a bull market and the legacy bull market. Okay. This is the first time that Bitcoin is going to face something of this magnitude. When we see the S&P sort of coming down, right, from the heights, coming down here, there's a good chance that we keep coming down here, at least 3392, or maybe even lower, 2931. We do not know. There's a lot of uncertainty going on. We do not know how this whole thing is going to end. The inflation rate, we might go into recession. There's so many things. There's so many uncertainty in the world right now that is going to affect the legacy market. Say S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. So if this market goes down, believe you me, BTC is gonna come down as well, and it's gonna visit this area. It's gonna come down here, probably all the way down here. But he already went into the pocket, right? Just like it did here, and just like it did in previous times, just like it did here. So let me raise this thing so I can make another sort of how long we're gonna be ranging in this area. How long we're gonna be here. So from here, right, starting at the dump, it was just about give or take 42 bars. Let's do 42 bars on this one. On the second one was a little shorter. So we kind of measuring the time that it's paying at the bottom. So 42 bars, this is 19 bars. This one, I guess you have to sort of extrapolate between the two, and it gave me sort of this range here, all right? I'm not saying this is gonna come to fruition. I'm not saying that this is what's gonna happen, right? But if you take the average of these two, we might be ranging here all throughout the first quarter of 2023. We might go even lower, who knows? But if this is any indication of when we're gonna come up, it's gonna be in the summer of 2023, right? We're gonna do this, and they start moving and sort of coming into 2024 to get to the halving. But this is most likely what's gonna happen, okay, guys? So like I said again, it's already in the pocket. It's gonna move here, probably for a longer time. Be ready to have Bitcoin spend good time here at the bottom, probably until next year. All right. So prices of Bitcoin right now and all the other coins, guys, 16,000. Ooh, Ethereum 1,000 and change. BNB 271, Binance, XRP 35, Cardano 33, Polygon 86, Polkadot 5, guys. Solana $15. So it's sort of, it went down 50%. It went down really hard because Solana is tied to FTX some way or another. Uniswap 29% down. And this is a completely oblivion here, disaster, man. This is really bad. But we will prevail, guys. If you're still here, that means that you are a trooper, and we will prevail. Okay? I'll keep you posted on anything that happens because, again, like I said, we're gonna have issues. Tomorrow we got CPI coming. Basically, the state of the economy. Is it getting better? Is it getting worse? So if things pan out to be negative for the market, believe you me, this thing is gonna keep going lower, and when I keep going deep into the hole. Right, guys, that's it for today. That is it for today. Okay, and remember, educate yourself, and if you decide to invest, do it safely. Tiro Crypto.